Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samina Yunus and today I am going to present figure of speech, metaphor and personification. It is for metric federal. Okay, now the definition of metaphor is a common figure of speech that makes a comparison by directly relating one thing to another unrelated thing. Unlike similes, metaphors do not use words such as like or as to make comparison. The writer or speaker relates the two unrelated things that are not actually the same, and the audience understands that it is a comparison, not a literal equation. The word comes from the Latin phrase meaning to carry across, and a metaphor does just that. It carries a shared quality or characteristics across two distinct things. Now the examples of metaphors. The snow is a white blanket. The snow is a white blanket. He is a shining star. He is a shining star. Her long hair was flowing golden river. Tom's eyes were iced as he stared at her. It means that he was shocked to see at her. Okay, the children were flowers grown in concrete gardens. The falling snowflakes are dancers. The calm lake was a mirror. The calm lake was a mirror. It means that when the water is still, the water is not moving, we can see our reflection in it. So the calm lake was a mirror. Now comparison between simile and metaphor. You can see in these examples that in similes we use like and as, and in metaphor we do not use such things. Now come to personification. Personification is a figure of speech in which a thing, an idea or an animal is given human attributes. The non-human objects are portrayed in such a way that we feel they have the ability to act like human beings. For example, when we say the sky weeps, we are giving the sky the ability to cry, which is a human quality. Thus, we can say that the sky has been personified in the given sentence. Now the examples. Lightning danced across the sky. You see, dancing is the attribute of a human. The wind howled in the night. Howling is characteristics of animal. So the wind is howling in the night. The car complained as the key was roughly turned in its ignition. My alarm was yelled at me to get out of the bed every morning. So these were the examples of it. Now come to the home task. You have to solve exercises on page number 60 and 61. Thank you.